Sandeep Balaji Kotamod, and today's date is 1st April 2024. Today's topic name is Digital India. The Digital India initiative is a comprehensive program launched by the government of India with the vision of transforming the country into a digitally empowered society and a knowledge economy. Encompasses various components and strategies aimed at level assigning technology to drive inclusive growth and development across different sectors. The detailed explanation of its keys are: first is infrastructure development. The initiative focus on building robust digital infrastructure, including high speed internet connectivity, broadband networks, and mobile connectivity, especially rural and remote areas. It aims to bridge the digital divide by ensuring that every citizen, regardless of their location, has access to reliable and affordable digital infrastructure. Then second is digital literacy. Digital India places a strong emphasis on promoting digital literacy among citizens, especially in rural and unserved communities. Various programs and initiatives are launched to provide basic digital skills, basic digital skills training to individuals, enabling them to efficiently use digital tools and technologies for their personal and professional development. Then e-governments and service delivery. One of the key objectives of Digital India is to make government services accessible to citizens electronically, thereby reducing paperwork, bureaucracy, and corporation. Initiatives like the digital locker, e-sign, and eKYC enable citizens to store and access their documents and citizens and certificates digitally, reducing the need for physical document. Common service centers are established across the country to provide a wide range of government and private services to citizens in rural and remote areas. Then fourth is digital empowerment. Digital India aims to empower citizens by enabling them by enabling them to participate in various digital frameworks and initiatives. It encourage the adoption of digital payment systems, e-commerce platforms, and a digital marketplace, thereby fostering financial inclusions and economic empowerment. The next is innovation and internship. The initiative promotions innovation and internship in the digital domain by providing support to startups and technology interpreters. So this is all about Digital India. Thank you.